21st century witnesses intensified economic globalization with increasingly close international economic cooperation. Embracing this trend, China Metallurgical Group Corporation sets out in full sail to pursue global presence of its service and rapid growth. MCC is a large-scale state-owned group corporation under supervision and administration of State-Owned Assets Supervision and Administration Commission of the State Council of China. It has established itself as the pioneer and developer of China's iron and steel industry, a major force in China's overseas project contracting, and the world's largest metallurgical engineering and construction contractor and service provider in the metallurgical industry. MCC ranks the 354th among Fortune 500 companies and the 10th among ENR's top 250 global contractors in 2014. In recent years, MCC has been committed to developing its four core businesses: EPC contracting, real estate development, equipment manufacturing, and resource development, which are further supported by 8 business sectors including metallurgical projects, high-end housing, mineral resources development, high and middle-end real estate, municipal traffic infrastructure, core technological equipment, and MCC steel structure, environmental project, and new energy and themed entertainment projects. Relying on its strengths in metallurgical engineering and construction, MCC has established subsidiaries and branches in 152 countries and regions, realizing going global of its equipment by project contracting, resource development, and infrastructure construction. With products sold in Southeast Asia, South America, North America, Middle East, former Commonwealths of Independent States, Japan, India, and other countries and regions. In particular, bringing into full play its strength in the metallurgical technology as the national team of China. It has become a leading force in China's iron and steel industry and the going global undertaking of complete sets of equipment. From 2001 to 2014, it has undertaken overseas iron and steel projects worth $13.29 billion, driving the export of equipment worth about $4.5 billion. Over 500 manufacturing enterprises have exported their sets of equipment for procurement or EPC projects. MCC's core competence in promoting the going global of high-end iron and steel equipment lies in its position of cutting-edge technologies and integrated synergy covering the full life cycle of the metallurgical industry. MCC owns 13 subsidiaries of national A-level scientific research-oriented engineering institutes and 11 national-level scientific and technological innovation platforms. It possesses core technologies of the metallurgical industry, energy-conserving, and environmental protection technologies, covering the full life cycle of the iron and steel industry, including sintering, pelletizing, coking, iron and steel making and rolling, leading in China and even in the world. It is capable of manufacturing core metallurgical equipment with independent intellectual property rights. After years of operation, MCC has been equipped with systematic, integrated strength in the metallurgical industry, which is led by process engineering, backed by core technology research and development and product manufacturing, and realized by project management and construction. This empowers MCC to provide its clients with full lifecycle tailored services encompassing consulting, designing, project management, construction, production, and operation. In recent years, MCC has undertaken a large number of international EPC projects of great significance in the metallurgical industry. For example, in the Brazilian market, MCC has undertaken the 6 million ton beneficiation project, 198 square meters sintering project on EP basis, 1,750 cubic meters blast furnace project, and 600,000 ton coke oven project for Gerdau Acuminus, 750,000 ton JN60/6 coke oven project for Usiminas, 500,000 ton continuous casting mini mill project for CSN's UPV steel plant, and supply of complete sets of equipment for the 50-ton converter of Gusa under construction. The Formosa Haiting steel project under construction in Vietnam is so far the largest overseas iron and steel project undertaken by Chinese enterprises overseas. In this project, MCC's roles include early-stage consulting, overall design, main equipment supply, main construction, and technical supervision for the clients. It sets benchmarks for the one-stop and full lifecycle services in carrying out the metallurgical projects overseas, which leads to overall export of domestically manufactured equipment worth approximately $1.2 billion, accounting for over 50% of the total contract value. As an active response to the Chinese government's One Belt and One Road initiative, MCC attaches strategic importance to Southeast Asia, South Asia, Middle Asia, Africa, and South America. It shoulders the responsibility to lead in the transfer of China's excess quality steel capacity overseas by rigorously promoting international industrial cooperation and serving as a bridge for the export of China's iron and steel production lines and quality capacities. Today's MCC is a comprehensive construction and operation service provider with diversified portfolio and engagement in multiple fields, while maintaining its overwhelming advantages in the metallurgical industry. By the end of 2014, MCC had 156 overseas non-metallurgical projects in hand, with a total contract value of $9.608 billion. Looking into the future, MCC is striving to build the world's strongest, best, and largest national team in the field of metallurgical construction and operation by relying on technological innovation. MCC will seize every opportunity to provide better products and services for the clients around the world, accelerate international industrial cooperation, and realize win-win results with our partners using world-leading equipment, technologies, and high-quality engineering and construction services. MCC, your partner of choice.